The JRE doesn't include any development tools like compilers or debuggers. So if you're planning to write and build Java code, the JDK is what you need. That is the Java Development Kit, the JDK. The JDK or the Java Development Kit is your complete toolbox for Java development. It gives you everything required to write, compile, run, and package your Java applications. It includes everything that comes with JRE, that is the JVM, the standard Java libraries, and the entire runtime environment. So you can run Java programs without any extra setup needed. But what makes JDK special are its set of the developer tools. All of your Java code is going to have an extension of .java. Javac is the compiler that turns your Java code into the bytecode, which has an extension of .class. Java is the launcher that runs your compiled Java programs. Javadoc is used to generate clean documentation from your code comments. JDB is a simple debugger for inspecting and fixing issues. And jar is a tool to package your entire application into a jar file, which can run on any operating system. And it's easy to distribute as well. It also comes bundled with Java standard libraries, giving you powerful tools while working with data structures, file, input, output, networking, multi-threading, and much more right out of the box. So to sum it up, JRE is something which is going to help you run Java programs, whereas JDK gives you the complete set of tools which are needed to actually start writing Java programs. And now that you have seen these three components, here's a simple way to remember it. JVM is the abstract engine that runs Java code. JRE is the actual software which you're going to install, which helps you run Java programs. And JDK is a complete toolkit for developing Java programs.